Harmony's Flight, The Tale of Tia the Enchanted Bird. Enchanting Forest Symphony. Visualize a magical forest alive with vibrant colors and ancient trees. Amidst this scene, capture Tia, the extraordinary bird, perched on a moss-covered branch. Her iridescent feathers glisten as she fills the air with her enchanting melody. Kaleidoscope of colors. Create an image that showcases Tia's radiant plumage, reflecting an array of colors like a living rainbow. Her feathers catch the sunlight, casting a mesmerizing glow that captivates all who gaze upon her. Journey beyond borders. Imagine Tia taking flight beyond the forest's edge, embarking on a grand adventure. Illustrate her soaring over diverse landscapes from sweeping deserts to dense jungles, capturing the essence of her explorations. Melodies across landscapes. Depict Tia engaging with fellow birds as they share stories and songs. Picture a harmonious scene where birds of various species perch on branches, their vibrant tunes intermingling like a chorus of nature's finest musicians. Triumphant Return. Visualize Tia's triumphant homecoming to the enchanted forest. Convey the heartwarming reunion with her parents, as tearful joy and pride radiate from their embrace, surrounded by the lush beauty of their woodland haven. Song of Unity. Create an image that portrays Tia's music as a force for change. Show her singing by a once polluted lake, where animals and humans have gathered to clean and restore its purity. Tia's song becomes a powerful catalyst, uniting beings of all kinds in a common purpose. Legacy in Flight. Illustrate Tia's enduring legacy, with her song echoing through time. Depict her melodies shaping the world around her, inspiring future generations to seek adventure, embrace curiosity, and make a positive impact on the environment. Forest Wonderland. Craft a scene that captures the sheer wonder of Tia's enchanted forest home. Imagine a magical clearing where fireflies dance around Tia as she performs, creating an atmosphere of enchantment and awe. Courageous Soar. Visualize Tia navigating through a stormy sky, her wings spread wide as she bravely faces the challenges that come her way. Capture the determination in her eyes as she overcomes adversity and emerges even stronger. Melody of Change. Depict Tia's radiant presence at the center of a diverse gathering of animals and humans. Show her song weaving a tapestry of unity, as different species work together to create a cleaner, more vibrant world.